Like for last chapter, we're going to learn some verb patterns, and on your test you will have to take a new verb and fit it into the patterns that you know. The first example verb for this chapter is the verb wstawać. You remember it from first year when it meant to get up in the morning. Notice how when we conjugate wstawać, the middle part of the verb here, the ava, goes away. So repeat after me. Wstawać. Я встаю. Ты встаешь. Он встает. Мы встаем. Вы встаете. Они встают. The verb преподавать, which means to teach, conjugates just like wstawać. Pause the video and try conjugating it yourself. Now let's look. Преподаю, преподаешь, преподает, преподаем, преподаете, преподают. How did you do? Did you get it right? Don't forget to get rid of the ava part. The next example verb is сказать. This is a perfective verb, so when we conjugate it, it makes it future tense. Let's remember how to conjugate this verb. Повторите. Сказать. Я скажу. Ты скажешь. Она скажет. Мы скажем. Вы скажете. Они скажут. The verb указать conjugates just like сказать. So pause and conjugate it for yourself. How did you do? Укажу, укажешь, укажет, укажем, укажете, укажут. The next example verb is платить, to pay. Повторите. Платить. Плачу. Платишь. Платит. Платим. Платите. Платят. You notice that in the previous pattern with сказать, we had the z changed to zh, and it stayed that way for the whole conjugation. Here, though, with платить, we have a second conjugation verb. So the te changes to ch only in the ya form, and then it changes back for the rest of the forms. Try this verb шутить, which means to joke, that follows the same pattern as платить. How did you do? Шучу, шутишь, шутит, шутим, шутите, шутят. And then our last example verb for this chapter is любить. Remember that любить in the ya form only adds in an L. Повторите. Любить. Люблю. Любишь. Любит. Любим. Любите. Любит. Try the verb отправить, which means to send. It is just like любить. Отправлю, отправишь, отправит, отправим, отправите, отправят. How did you do? Did you get them right? Try this short quiz. И давайте посмотрим на ответы. We have verb знакомец, which is like любить. Verb доказать, which is like сказать. Verb тратить, which is like платить. And тратить means to spend, доказать is to prove, знакомец to acquaint someone with someone. And last verb уставать, to get tired, which is just like вставать. How well did you do? and let me know if you have questions or feedback. Спасибо.